prescription, spit it out the frame. Easy to be you when you ain't out the train. And I know the streets been watching me. Don't rap yet, they wanna make this shit about me. And this shit about me, DaVinci. Dope, right? I hit the pins like I'm bowling. My flow. So we just trying to put the ideas together and get it bumping. My brother has a space. You know, it's like, it kind of look like, it's not really a warehouse, like it's just an empty like space. You can do anything with whatever you want, right? Whatever you want with the space. And then like it's one scene that kind of looked like a bedroom, so I was thinking like just get a little Airbnb or something like you tell on a weekday. Right. Shoot that real quick. Yep. And then the last scene is easy because we're going back to the first scene because I'm gonna go back to where he was at. Right. And you know,
just get enough footage we can do whatever we want with it.
Remember,
especially if you want
like you should add a fight scene. I said maybe. You take it and we got that in the budget.
I had my director chair, my hat.
Oh, you taking it? She said I'm being a director. I'm taking over. I'm
run it back. I'm really living.
And him is really. No, we see a video. The bar said this. It said she gobbled my dick like a platter. And she literally had the girl in between his legs eating a cheesesteak like she was sucking his dick.
Platter, right.
I can't make this shit up. It was a real music video. This boy from Philly, like, I'm like, yo.
Shit, they got some music videos now where people is actually
really sucking it. But shit, I'd rather you do that bitch than sitting there eating a cheesesteak.
In between his legs.
That's so degraded. Like.
And you doing it.
Bleach just dripping down your chin.
Eating the damn platter.
With a beat face. Like, what are you doing, sis? I would have been so mad if somebody asked me to do that. You know how I was cussing somebody to fuck out?
Right.
Tyneara, listen, I got this great idea, Tyneara. Listen, I got you.
Sit here,
you gonna get on your knees.
Look like you sucking my dick. That you gonna be eating.
Eating a cheesesteak. Wow.
She was really eating the cheesesteak.
She was like,
that's disgusting.
I was like, ow!
And she was doing it, so.
And I wanted to repost it so bad. I was like,
those type of bitches that women
like, this shit is horrible. Like, and he really sitting there like she's going with like, you should feel away for doing that to your sis. Like, making her get down.
You should never even do
disrespect a woman like that, right?
But she do. It's bitches like dumb. It's dumb.
No, that is not.
She not a sis. That's why. She not a sis. That's the point.
Fucking five. A five.
That's what call me. I'ma call you. You know what we gonna get for that, nigga?
Never
alright. You know what? I'm like, okay, I'ma do it, and then as soon as I'ma fucking shove the cheesesteak in his fucking face. As soon as the camera roll, and then we'll walk the fuck out.
This is a fucking clown.
Here's your.
This is what a clown look like if y'all just do what he asked me to do.
Right. The fuck.
That's not even clever. She gobbled my, and she asked me to eat the cheesesteak. That could be a Corey joint. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything these hands touch, they master.
Yeah.
They do. So when I had to sew these pants up, bitch, before I came, that's what's up. What? Sewed them the fuck up.
I give you a try with how much you want to charge.
50 for a touch up. Style.
I said it really does sound like two different beats now.
No, I keep going away. Basically, you hear what I'm saying though. I want the drums to start here. I don't want them to start here. So how can I remove them?
So basically, you don't want them to start in the beginning.
Right.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, make an intro. That's what you was gonna do anyway.
Yeah, but you know, I was trying to add more to it. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how I go about it. Like I'll make all the parts, and I'll create all the parts first,
instruments, yeah,
and then I'll start to sequence it later.
Oh, I get what you're saying. How you want it, where you want it to drop and stuff like that. You'll go. Is it recorded?
No.
Recorded. What it do? What it do? What it do? Yo, okay, so I'm about to get dressed real quick. Go back in the studio. So it's like something has clicked since the album dropped, y'all. I'm done crying and all of that. It's like I've been like motivated to like just go super hard. Like I have not really slept like since the album's been out, like done. I've been in the studio yesterday. The day before yesterday I was in the studio till like 5 in the morning, and then I had to get up, you know, take care of the kids, get back in the studio. I got back in the studio probably around like 11, 12 in the afternoon, and I stayed down there until 8 this morning. Can you see me? Let me go this way. I'm not even with the lighting right now. Okay, so so since the album's been out, I really haven't been getting any sleep. I just been like super motivated, super excited. I'm not crying anymore. I'm like just lit, and like something has clicked. An engine has like been started inside of me, and I don't know what's about to happen, but I don't know. The day before yesterday, I don't even know, the day before yesterday or yesterday, I was in the studio till 5 in the morning. Okay, so I don't know what's happened. Something has definitely just clicked in me, and the day before yesterday I was in the studio until like 5 in the morning. Then I went back the next day, and they're around like 11, like close to noon. After getting up, taking care of the kids and getting them together, I went back in the studio. I left out of the studio at 8 this morning. Well, I left out the studio at 6 this morning, like 6:30, dropped the kids off at school, and then I laid down for a little bit, and now it is 2 o'clock, so I woke back up at like 1, so, yeah, so I'm about to, beat my face and then do this like fun ass challenge on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Tyneara DaVinci. Go on there because I'm doing this challenge to Drake's new song, Nice for What, because that shit definitely lit. That's definitely the song of the summer. So I'm about to go on there and do that. Beat my face, and then I'm going back in the studio. So yeah, I'll bring you guys with me. Alright, let me do this challenge. Alright, so, whew, that was fun. I fucking killed it. Okay, so, now I gotta go see where my people are, because we're supposed to be in a damn stew. I'm living here. Oh, my shoe came untied. Yo, ooh. Yo. Sit over here. Yo, what the heck? I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. I feel so good. I want y'all to hear what I was working on for the past few days. Whew, I was sweating for doing that damn challenge, girl. That shit was fun though. I'm hot in here. Alright. So it's almost time for me to go get my kids, so I just want y'all to hear this.
You know we making moves. You know I came to get off. No we can stop. 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 No we can stop.
Fuck they thought it was, what they thought it was. I just fill my cup, never hold a grudge. My guard down, I let the karma get them. I'm on top, refresh the screen, I let the punchlines get them. Blunt full of weed, honest like the seams are splitting. When Vinci fucking bang this in any season. And all these bitches hating, and they can catch a mention.
And all these niggas hating, can't even see my vision. I see him praying, wishing. I'm a downfall, but I'm going bald. White star, still moving with my heart. Yeah, I'm giving got flies, but I'm booming the cars. Yeah, them bitches be talking, but they be taking the loss. Yeah, I'm in the mood. Started with that groove. You know we making moves.
No, we making moves, yeah.
No, we can stop. No, we can stop.
Alright, let me know how that sounds, y'all. Y'all gotta wait for that one. But yeah, I just want to put this quick little video out, another little diary. My diary entry is about to be super lit. I'm about to start vlogging more.